Same time every day. Feels like I'm dead. Nothing else changes. I eat the same thing, drive down the same road, say all the same things everybody knows. And I'd like to think there's more to life than this. As long as when I open my eyes, you I see. Another Groundhog's Day is just fine by me. Open my eyes and begin the routine. Won't be surprised by the things that I see. Feels like I was just here, this feeling is so weird. Running in circles, doing the same things. But there is one thing I need just to get through. As long as when I open my eyes, you I see. The Groundhog's Day is just fine by me. With you by my side, I don't feel crazy. We'll make it through this Groundhog's Day, you and me. This Groundhog's Day, you and me. We'll make it through this Groundhog's Day.